Let's look at how to use go to special, and hyperlinks. From the Home tab, click on Find and Select, then choose Go To, or you could also use the shortcut key combination Control-G. Click on Go To Special, then click on Notes, and click OK. And you will see the first note located in cell A38, and the next note highlighted in cell A45. Let's go back and open up Go To, and the dialog box will sometimes display previous inputs where it says Reference, or it will display named cell ranges, which in this case is berry bushes. With berry bushes selected, click OK. And the cell range will be selected, and you can see the range name in the name box. To locate a specific cell address, press Ctrl-G and input F13 under Reference, then press Enter, or click OK. Let's now use this cell address to insert a hyperlink. Click on the Insert tab, then click on the link down arrow and choose Insert Link. Under Link To, click on Place in this document. You will now see a list of named cell ranges. Double-click on berry bushes, and when I click on berry bushes, you will see where the cell range is located. To locate the last active row and column in a worksheet, press Ctrl-G, click on Special, choose Last Cell, then click OK. The cell selector will move to cell G105, which means there is no data to the right or below this cell. Let's now look at how to add a hyperlink that connects to a website. With cell C12 selected, click on Insert Link. And this time, click on Existing File or Web Page. And let's type in the website address that we're going to use. And then type, "Please visit our website," next to where it says Text to Display. Click OK. Then when you click on the hyperlink, it takes you directly to that website.